Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called Stepper Smooth. It is a one-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, please watch till the end. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and share this video. And let's get it. So I'm gonna turn my back to you, okay? So the first step is gonna be on the left. So let me show you the first 8 count, then I'll come back and get you and break it down. So it's 1 and 2, back 3 and 4, sail 5 and 6, 7 and 8, sail 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That's 16 count, okay? So that's what I'm breaking down, the first 16 count. All right, so I'm gonna go left, right, left. So the last step is on my left. I'm gonna rock back, recover, rock back, recover on the right. Then I'm gonna do a sail right. So there's 2 things you're doing on the right. Rock back, recover, then a right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, quarter, left, right, left. Salsa and coaster out. And that is your first 16 counts. So again, moving up on the left. Left, right, left. Rock back, recover on the right. Sail a right, sail a right, sail a left, sail a left, sail a right, sail a left. We're going to do a sail a right, then we're going to do a sail a left with a quarter turn to our left. Sail a left. Salsa, salsa, and coaster out on the left. Okay, so let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, rock 3 and 4, sail a 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, salsa 5 and 6, coaster 7 and 8. Left, right, out. Okay? Now, we're going to put our left heel out. That's the transition into a basic. Left, right, left, right, shuffle, left, right. So we're going to stay put for a minute. Crossing on the left. Left, right, left, right, left, right. So now we're going to make a 3/4 turn. Our last step was on the right. So we're going to do a 3/4 turn, turn into our left shoulder with our right shoulder coming forward. So we're going here, but we're going to take the scenic route. Right shoulder coming forward, but we're stepping on the left. Left, right, left. 3/4 turn forward. Right shoulder forward. Right shoulder go forward, stepping on the left. Left, right, left. Okay, so let's put that together. Crossing on doing the basic. So we're going to stay put for a minute. Cross on the left. 1 and 2. Right, 3 and 4. Shuffle 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. Left, right, left. Then we're going to do a cross and lift and cross and kick, push right, kick left, push right, out left. Again, I turn, then I can cross on the right. Cross and lift and cross and kick and push, kick, push, tap out. So cross 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, out 8. That heel, that left heel is coming into play. Left heel is out. So what did I do here? Here, our left heel was out. We went into our basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. You can move up on this one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. I did one and lift, and cross and kick, push, kick, push, tap. So I'm pushing back, kicking back, back, forward, back, tap, out. Okay, so let's go from the top. 5, 6, up on the left. 1 and 2, rock 3 and 4, sailor 5 and 6, 7 and 8, sailor 1 and 2, left 3 and 4, salsa 5, 6, 7, out 8, basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, turn, left, right, left, cross and lift and cross and kick and push, kick, push, tap, out. Okay, now this next step, we're going to do that all 4 walks. We're going to do that 3/4 turn. Left, right, left, right, shuffle, shuffle, tap out, tap in. Tap out, tap in. So all we're doing is a basic. But we turn it on 1, which is on the left. 1 and 2, 3/4 turn, push 3 and 4. And when you push, you want to kind of cross. 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, out 7, in 8. So that's 2 taps on the left, out and in. So tapping out and in to prepare to go to the next wall. We're doing the same thing at each wall. What I just do, we turn it on 1, okay? Gonna have to look back at the camera for a minute. So let's go to the next wall. Right shoulder coming forward, 3/4 turn, stepping on that left. 5, 6, 7, 3/4. Left, right, cross, right, shuffle, left, right, tap out and in. Out and in on that left. Okay? So we're doing all 4 walls with that 3/4 turn, turning on 1, stepping on 1. That left foot, 3/4 turn with the right shoulder coming forward. Not back, forward. My left heel is up, so I'm stepping on that left again. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, cross, right, shuffle, left, right, out, tap in. Doing it again. Left, right, push, right, shuffle, left, right, tap, out, tap in. From here, we back out our wall. It's a 1-wall dance. Start it over. 1 and 2, rock 3 and 4, sailor 5 and 6, 7 and 8, sailor 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, salsa 5 and 6, 7 and 8, basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, turn 7 and 8, cross 1, lift 2, cross 3, kick 4, push 5, kick 6, 7 and 8, 3/4, 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, shuffle 5, 6, out 7 and 8, left 1, 2, 3, right, shuffle, shuffle, left, right, push, right, shuffle, left, right, out, left, right, left, right, out, in. That's the dance. Stepper smooth. Okay? You're doing 1 wall. And I would say there's maybe 2 parts to it, or maybe 3 parts to the dance, 1 wall dance. That is Stepper Smooth. If you have any comments, please leave me a comment. Also, let me know how you doing, how you did with this dance. So that is Stepper Smooth. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.